Hello, welcome to our PNW Adventures, and today we are so excited.
Oh, it's on, baby.
We have finally our FSR Evolution tent.
Yep.
Woo!
55 is on. Finally got it. Took a little bit, but we are ready to go, and we are here up in our favorite place, and we're gonna
show you the inside and show you how to set it up and give you some tips and tricks that we learned along the way. So let's see the unboxing of this beautiful rooftop tent right now.
Boom. She goes up in the tent for the first time. Let's see if she can do it. Good night.
So step one to open this baby up, there are 8 latches, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and then 4 on the sides. I am not tall enough to get these.
I got you. Ah! Got it.
You can, however, use your car as a step ladder and get the front ones off.
Or a really tall guy.
Or that. Step 2 is the ladder. You can store the ladder inside the tent if you want to, or just put it in your vehicle, which is what we did.
Oh, there.
We have our rooftop secured. Now all we need to do is bring it down and make sure it is sitting on stable ground. Now, step 3 of this, super easy. Let's get the tent up and going. All you have to do is press up.
Oh, go on. Come on. Do it.
If you're really short like me, it doesn't work so well. That's why you got to tell person.
There's one side.
And now, step 2. And folks,
Camping.
that is all. You are ready to camp. Are you ready to see the inside of this bad boy? Now the cool thing about this tent is it does have these loops here so you can secure it. So if you want to have this completely open, it has this piece on it here that is an awning almost, and you can sit up here and enjoy the views, drinking your morning coffee, and stay dry if it's raining out. You can put your shoes in this awesome little pouch here so you won't get the inside of the tent dirty. Come on up. Inside the Evolution 55, we have a nice padded mattress here, and it is about a queen size mattress. I think it's a tad bit less than that, but not by much. We've got some flannel sheets for it so we can stay warm in the fall and winter camping. We got some great ventilation here for summertime. And you've got this mesh here that you can take down and have a nice open breeze. We don't have them with us right now, but the Evolution did come with some parts and pieces that are extra. And what it has is a cap that goes over this strut arm. So if it's windy outside, you can pop that on and it will secure the tent in place so that it won't come down on you in the middle of the night. We got another nice big window here. And again, this one also has the mesh fabric here that you can open up and have a nice cool breeze in the summertime. We have this nice LED light strip here that comes installed with this, and it is super bright, and it just runs off of a battery power bank that you can put into the little pockets right up here. And this sucker is so bright you really do not need any other lights. Maybe just your flashlight if you're getting down to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night.
Take off. Whoop.
We got one more side panel window here. The front cover here also has the mesh paneling on it, so you can keep that open in the middle of the night. Now you're probably wondering about winter camping or fall camping in this. This is tri-layer material that Go FSR puts on all of their tents. So it is supposed to stay pretty well insulated in the summer and winter time as well. In the summertime, you can pop out these vents here and put these down. There's one on each side, and that will help the airflow. And then there's one more vent up here. So if you notice, there is Velcro on both sides right here. You just simply pull that down, attach it right there, and you have another vent to keep the tent pretty well insulated, or I mean air circulation going in the summertime. You're probably wondering how the tent, when it goes down, the fabric doesn't just stick out all over the place and then you have to spend 20 minutes stuffing everything back inside. Well, they included this awesome pole, so it hooks onto each side of the back window here, and then there is a little hook right here by the mattress, so you hook that on, and then when we show you how you pull the tent down, it will automatically pretty much just all come together. You do have to shove in tiny bits of fabric on the sides, but other than that, you are good to go. One really cool thing about this tent as well is really you can just close up your bedding within here with your pillows in it. So if you are just ready to go and you're done camping, close this up really quick and it'll store in there. So we did get an extra 1.5 inch foam topper to go on top of this with our flannel sheets. We got some pillows, got some blankets to go in here. So once we head out camping in a couple of weeks, we will show you guys our whole setup for the inside of the tent.
1 week. 1 week.
Oh geez.
Hi.
And we just got brand new friends. Hello, you gonna come camping with us?
Now, you may be wondering how we get down from this sucker, because I was asking myself that same question. So, we're going to, one, be careful, because again, it's a little wet and slippery outside, so I got some boots with some good traction on. You've got a really good bar right here to hang on to as the frame of the tent itself. All right, we made it down, yay!
All right, and now it's time to close her back up.
The shoe bags just get tucked right back in to the frame right there. First, we're gonna start with this side to close it up. So while you're up on the ladder, what you're gonna do is just pull down this nice and slow. So the other side of this has a strap on it that you can easily pull down. So this side is down. And now, as you can see, we've got this strap here. And this is what's gonna help us pull down the rest of the way. As you can see, we've got some material that's poking out here. And if the beast wasn't so high, I could probably reach it myself to get it back in there.
I got you. All right, we'll bring a step stool and help you out front and back. And now, locking her back up. There we go.
Well, that is it for the pop-up tent video.
Yes.
So excited that we finally got it on.
Made some new friends along the way.
Yeah. Don't know where their home is, but hopefully they find it.
Fun.
But thanks also to our CBI Prinsu roof rack, which has been amazing in making sure that our rooftop tent fits on our car and has the proper weight.
We'll leave the description of the video that we made, put installation in the down below somewhere.
Down there.
Down there somewhere.
Down there.
Anyways.
So if you're interested, CBI Prinsu, based out of Idaho, and then Freespirit Recreation, based out of Colorado and Bend. Those are the two places that we've got our gear from. And no, we're not sponsored by them. We just really like their stuff. So go check them out.
And we're excited to
go test it.
Yeah. Get to camping, get to overlanding. Let's go.
Let's do this.
All right.
All right. Thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. Right here, that are securely fashioned.
Fashioned? Fashioned?
Securely mounted. It's gonna be just
fastened.
Fastened?
Fastened, not fashioned. Like, hello. Look at these. Fashioned.
Fastened, whatever.
Mounts. For the latter.
All right, we are going to install our ladder, and I'm going to start again because I'm using all right again. Oh, that's a big stick.
That's what she said.
It's powered by a little powder bank. Cut that.
Where you guys from?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? 1 week.
Hey, we got the
Next
Ducks
week.
game next week.
2 weeks. Ducks game, then camping.